T-Squad, today we uncover the shocking truth behind Martell Holt's courtroom drama. Get ready to witness a jaw-dropping story that will keep you on the edge of your seats. But let's start by introducing Martell Holt. He's a controversial figure who has been making headlines for all the wrong reasons. But why should you care about this story? Because I mean, it's just repetitive at this point. But baby, buckle up because things are about to get intense. Martell Holt found himself in hot water when he blatantly ignored court order. Can you imagine the consequences he faced as a result? You know, it's a slippery slope once you start disregarding legal directives, and Martell Holt is about to learn his lesson the hard way. According to Urban Belle magazine, Love and Marriage Huntsville stars Martell Holt and Melody Cherie Rogers were in court for a hearing in their ongoing custody dispute. The hearing pertained to Melody and her attorney, who filed an emergency motion. The emergency motion is to enforce previous orders that Martell undergo psychological evaluations and counseling with their minor son. As previously reported by Urban Belle magazine and myself, Melody originally filed a grievance against Martell last July, accusing Martell of using corporal punishment against their children. Remember, you guys, I had the actual document of these accusations and the judge's response. I'll actually attach the video at the end of this one. Back to the story. This includes allegations of punching and choking their son. These allegations left a sour feeling amongst many Love and Marriage Huntsville fans. The judge over the case issued an order that seems to be a scathing rebuke of Martell's behavior. It appears Martell had an apparent blatant disregard for the court's order. The court document for the order, obtained exclusively by Urban Belle, declared on March 9th, 2022, that Martell get involved with counseling with their minor son per the previous decrees. Another order issued in September 2022 forbids Martell from using corporal punishment. Per the order, the court declared Martell failed to seek the psychological evaluation. It took the emergency motion for Martell to comply almost 2 years later. The court felt convinced that Martell blatantly ignored the order and used corporal punishment against their children. The counselor, declared an expert by the court, found that Martell's disregard of the orders of counseling their children reported emotional backlash. As a result of the court's declarations, Martell is now at serious risk of losing his visitation rights to his children. He has been ordered to comply with the original order of weekly counseling immediately and participate in twice monthly family counseling with his children. Failure to comply with this order will result in losing his visitation rights. Martell must also pay Melody Cherie $7,000 towards her legal fees. He must also schedule his remaining visits for his psychological evaluation. Their next hearing for this case is October 16th, 2024. That don't make no sense. And he's always the one that want to slam her as this horrible parent and all of this, but you are not even complying with court orders so that you can continue to have a relationship with your children, which lets me know that you do not care and that you think that you are above the law. And people wonder why Mel moves the way that she does, because this man simply has a I don't give a F attitude. If he is thumbing up his nose to the court, then what makes you think that this man can't flip a switch and try to harm their children when he gets upset or when he gets mad? That's why she reported his butt to the police. You gonna stop playing with people. Like, with a man like him, it's literally going to take for him to get locked up for a substantial amount of time for him to get it. There's no reason why you should be choking or punching your son. I know a lot of men tend to punch on their boys to toughen them up, but that's not toughening nobody up. That's abuse, first of all. It's weirdo behavior. And if he is choking that little boy, then God help him. Because somebody need to choke his big bald head Elmer Fudd looking ass. That don't make no dang on sense. It really honestly does not make any sense. He ought to be ashamed of himself. And for his sake, he better comply with the court this time, because these people ain't playing with this man. They simply are not. And if it's in the best interest for him not to be around them kids, then strip him of his rights. Strip him. Strip him. Let him just have a relationship with Knox, whatever that little boy name is, with Coleslaw. Because this don't make no sense. It really honestly don't. And who's being punished the most is these kids. They got to sit up here and deal with this foolishness with this man. Like, now you got to come out another $7,000 to pay her legal fees. You know, like, do you want to be held in contempt of court? Like, what is wrong with you? I can't wait to see come October if he's got up on the good foot and did what the hell he's supposed to do. I cannot wait to see. And a part of me gonna feel like he gonna half-ass do it and not do it all the way like he's supposed to. I feel so sorry for them kids, but I've been saying this from the beginning. Tank gonna grow up and he ain't gonna want to have nothing to do with that man. And he gonna probably knock him upside his head for all of the hurt and anguish that he's caused his mother and his sisters. Because that little boy is paying attention and he's watching and he's learning. And I pray to God he don't end up nowhere near like his daddy. Nowhere near like him, child. Oh my God. That man is a disgusting, vile human being. And as long as Melody got the money, I would continue to take his behind to court and hold him accountable. I really honestly would. And if he keep on acting a monkey, I would then file a restraining order against him, because it's something mentally wrong with him and he needs to be in therapy. That man got years and years and years of trauma that he obviously has not dealt with. And it's more than what he went through with not having a dad. I think that that man dealt with some stuff. I wouldn't be surprised if some dark stuff happened to Martell or he participated in some stuff, but it ain't right up there. Everything ain't nailed to the wall up there in that brain. That man is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. All right. And he is a true crime story waiting to happen. And I've been saying this for the longest. It's no coincidence that Melody has armed guards outside of her home to protect her from this fool. Like, that's crazy that this lady got to go to that extent with this man. But I don't blame her, because you rather be safe than sorry. Okay. Especially dealing with somebody like him, because if she didn't, he would probably still feel like he have the right to pop up at her house and cause drama and all types of stuff. Girl, ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody at all. Nope. Nope. But y'all let me know what y'all think about all of this. Let's talk about it. What do you think the court's steps should be next? Do you think that he should have his rights taken away, or do you think that the courts should continue to try to give him opportunities to get it together? Y'all let me know what y'all think and how y'all feel about it down below in the comment section. I can't wait to hear what you got to say. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Turn on your post notifications and hit that thumbs up button so you know when my videos drop. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
How you doing? Shorty that ran into my fiance car.
It's something different about him, and I know that he has a girl, but everything about him just says that he's supposed to be mine. Like, I can honestly feel it.
Man, I see you out here doing big things, man.
Being here with you was really making me happy.
I felt the same way too.
When I get home, I got a lot to handle. You do too. I know you got a man.
You have a whole fiance at home, remember?
Girl, did he hit you?
I already knew how this little thing between us was gonna end.
Can I be cooped up in this dirty, dingy ass motel room like this, bro? This right here, this is our reality.
We both knew that this wasn't gonna work.
We got something special.
I have to save myself.
Don't touch me again, you know what's happening.
Get out! All my life, I've been waiting for somebody to save me. I knew that it was gonna be you.
Oh, I can't seem to let you go.
My romantic comedy drama, Paper Heart, is available for streaming right now on Peacock or Tubi. Enjoy.